Welcome to TechInsight Daily. Today, we're diving into India's robotic revolution and how it's set to transform industries across the nation. From manufacturing to healthcare, robots are reshaping the way we work and live. Let's get into it. In recent years, India has experienced a surge in the adoption of robotics. With advancements in AI and automation, robots are becoming integral to various sectors. But how exactly are they making an impact? First up, let's talk about the manufacturing sector. Robots are enhancing efficiency and precision in factories all over India. From assembling cars to packaging products, these automated systems are reducing costs and boosting output. Now, on to healthcare. Robots are playing a crucial role here too. Surgical robots enable doctors to perform complex procedures with greater accuracy. Plus, robots are used for tasks like patient monitoring and medication delivery, improving overall care. India's agriculture sector is also reaping the benefits of robotic technology. Automated systems for planting, harvesting, and sorting produce are helping farmers increase productivity and cut labor costs. In food processing, robots ensure consistent quality and hygiene. Looking ahead, the future of robotics in India is incredibly promising, but not without its challenges. While robots are set to revolutionize industries, there are concerns about job displacement and the need for reskilling the workforce. However, with the right policies and investments, the potential benefits far outweigh the risks. That's a wrap on how robots are revolutionizing India's future industries. What do you think about this technological revolution? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechInsight Daily for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.